I don't want you to mess with it. Look at your fingers. You already messed with it.
How funny.
Yeah. You want to eat, and at the end of it, only 2 pieces will get to your mouth. Huh? Huh? And start eating. No, no spilling. Put it in your mouth. Oh, did that all night? Why you made that all night?
Look, I got there's food. You didn't body.
I remove that, you put it back again. Eh? Liam. Are you enjoying your meal?
My bum bum is sour.
Your bum bum. What does your bum bum have to do with?
My bum bum is sour.
Your bum bum is what?
My bum bum is sour.
Hmm? Shout.
My bum bum is down.
Down.
Yeah.
Yeah, then sit properly so it will not be down. Hey, Grandma. Do you like it?
I know.
Richard.
Did you put the food,
All
Mommy?
safe.
Did you see them? I'm really bad. Not eating my food. My food is here. Yeah, not this food. Yeah, to the banana. What is from apple? I think I'm from the banana.
Mm-hmm.
How do you like the banana? It's the milk. Yeah, there too.
No more poche.
Look here. Then with the food, Mommy, use what I eat.
You give you food. You make a mess out of the food.
Yeah. Mommy, I am full.
Are you?
I am very full.
What did you eat when you came?
Don't play with it. Give it to me.
Mommy, Miss full.
You're full.
Yeah.
Give me the plate.
I am very full. Oh, take apple. Mommy did this very much
Yeah, take apple and eat.
with apple.
You want apple too? You don't.
I
But
don't have apple.
only a hard apple. Take one there.
It's not. Thank you. Mommy, I'm saying.
No, no.
Mommy didn't. Never explain that yet.
That was the waiting. Also, waiting. Only that, yeah. That was, I was got my job to take it. That. Yeah, come on.
So we're done with breakfast.